Hello, welcome back to Python tutorial from scratch. In this video we will learn about string just method. Just method is used when we need a string to be of particular length. If we have a string of length 4 and we require string of length 10, we can use just method to fill the remaining characters. Syntax of just method is just width, fill char. There are three types of just method. L just used to fill char characters on left. R just to fill characters on right. And center to fill characters on either side. Let you see the example for L just, R just and center on the console. If we want to fill it with zeros, we can use zFill method. Thank you. See you in next video. Do like, share and subscribe.